Hey guys, it's Robert. Today we are working with RTA to get the second phase of the van renovation done. But today we're going to be installing some shelves to help get all of our labeled bins off of the floor, get them up on the shelves, get it cleaned out, get it reorganized and working a little more efficiently so we can show up and be ready whenever we renovate your garage. We're going to get started. We'll be back with the finished product.
I'm Jesse, I'm Executive Director, Rebuilding Together Austin. Top shelf will be open, bottom will be your stuff, and these will all fit those containers. These are like the end caps, like the bookends. All the shelves over there are cut. And all we're doing is we laid it out where we want the shelves to go. We drilled the holes in it. We're gonna start the screws, so we're gonna stand them up, and then we have a couple guys in the middle hold the shelf and go zip, zip, screw it in, put the next shelf, zip, 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 put it in, and then we're gonna try to build the whole thing out here, and then take it and slide it in the back of the van. It's gonna look perfect.
Phase 2 is complete. We have our shelving in here now. Rebuilding Together Austin did a great job on this. We were super proud of the work that Jesse and his crew did. This is gonna be way more functional space. It's gonna help us help you stay organized. I'm Robert with Koncept Garage. Thank you for watching.